Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Friday, February the 14th, Valentine's Day, and we are here at the construction site of Phoenix Gulf Towers today to get an update on all the construction work that's been taking place here at the site. So let's go have a closer look. All right, when we were here at Phoenix Gulf Towers the last time, we had not begun this part of our construction. This is actually walls of the tower on the west side of the West Tower at Phoenix Gulf Towers. We're going to take a walk back towards the street where we'll be able to view more walls and more piling that went in for our garage. This is actually part of the parking garage where we're standing here. Piling has already been laid in the ground and the piling caps have been placed on top. And the way we normally start our buildings, we would normally start putting piling in for our main structure. This time we began putting piling in for our main structure as well as our parking garage. Here are some additional walls that are getting prepared to be poured in our parking garage. They'll build wooden forms around that rebar, and then they'll pour the concrete directly inside. Here's another view of our parking garage. Okay, as you see, that column here has been formed and ready to be poured. We'll be doing the same thing to these other columns. And eventually another floor of the parking garage will go on top of that. Well, that's going to wrap things up for us today here at Phoenix Gulf Towers. There are still developer units left for sale. Please contact your Brett Robinson sales agent or call us at our sales office at 800-221-6180. Or you can find us on the World Wide Web at www.brettrobinson.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.